Hey guys, it's Yash from YVK Technologies, and in this video we are going to be learning the basic HTML tags such as the heading tag, the paragraph tag, the link tag, etc. So this is the second tutorial of HTML, and we are going to be doing it in a program called the text editor, which is the default text editing program in Linux. So I'm just going to create the basic HTML structure. You already know this structure from the previous video. Now another thing that I wanted to tell you is that the moment you open the tag, the first thing that you need to do is to close the tag instantly before going on to the content within it. The reason is that many a times you may forget to close a tag, which may result in a broken layout of the document. So it's best to close the tag the moment you open so that you don't forget. Alright. Okay, so today in the title we are going to be writing HTML tutorial 2 for beginners. Alright, so before going on, I'm just going to run this in Google Chrome so that you can see HTML tutorial 2 for beginners. I think I should just increase the font size. Okay. Now here the first thing we are going to learn is the heading. So there are basically 6 tags out there for different heading sizes. Alright, so what is a heading basically? See, when I open up a new tab in Google Chrome, you can see that here Google is written. So this is the heading of the page. Okay. Now the this heading out here is written in a different with a CSS styling involved. We are going to be learning CSS later on in this tutorial, but right now we are going to be learning the basic heading. So the first heading tag is the H1 tag. I'm going to add the opening closing tag, and here I'm going to be writing heading 1. H1 means heading 1. Okay, when I refresh this, you can see heading 1 on the screen, and it's a large bold text. Now I'm just going to copy it and paste it 6 times because there are 6 tags in total: H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. We are going to be adding the closing H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6, which means heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Okay. Now as we go down from H1 to H6, the size of the heading decreases. Like here you can see that heading 2 is smaller than heading 1, then heading 3 is even smaller, and so on till heading 6. Okay, so that was the heading tag. Now we are going to be coming to the paragraph tag. So paragraph tag, for the paragraph tag you just have to write P out here, then inside that you can just write paragraph content. You can fill this paragraph with anything you want, like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, anything. And as you can see, Okay, now the next tag which we are going to be looking at is the hyperlink tag. So hyperlink, I was thinking of doing the hyperlink part in this video only, but actually hyperlink involves the use of attributes, and you haven't learned what attributes are. So we are going to be looking over that in the next video, what attributes are, and after that we are going to be looking at hyperlinks and all that. Thanks for watching.